ANET stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Arista Networks stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. For me, this is one of those stickers that absolutely freaking killed it, right? I absolutely love it. And with a price action like this, all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more if I can. So yes, I'll mark up my demand zone, although I don't think that the prices come down this low. I mean, it could, you know, it definitely could. But in the short term, I'm just willing to milk the top. As long as if the price comes down and gives me a double break, right? I'm not going to randomly start buying here. That's beyond the point. Like, what happens if it doesn't? Well, I guess I'm not going to trade it, right? It's totally fair and normal. And with ANET, I pop up here and I do see 2 results as well. So that's good. If you want to stay tuned even more and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. And stay tuned. This is, I think, very interesting. We can milk and make money here. Not financial wise.